Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser has stopped responding completely, no sent output, no reaction to buttons, or it just feels unresponsive, it can be frustrating because everything might look perfectly set up from the outside. Sometimes the device is powered but not reacting, and other times it seems completely inactive. This kind of issue usually comes down to a disruption in power flow, internal settings, or how the components are aligned inside the unit. Since these diffusers rely on precise connections and airflow to function properly, even a small issue can make it seem like the entire unit has failed. The good part is that most of these problems can be resolved without replacing the diffuser. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix a hotel collection diffuser that's not working or responding. Try these. 1. Disconnect the diffuser from power and plug it back in securely. 2. Restart the unit by turning it off and on after a short pause. 3. Open the device and check that the scent bottle is properly fitted. 4. Clean the internal nozzle area to remove any blockage. 5. Adjust settings and ensure the device is not set to minimum output. 6. Turn it on again and confirm it responds and releases scent.